SLS Pepimut S is a novel cancer immunotherapeutic that is being developed by a late-stage clinical biopharmaceutical company focused on developing novel cancer immunotherapies for a broad range of indications. The IND application was accepted by the China National Medical Products Administration (NMPA), and the full clinical trial is expected to begin in the second half of 2019. The IND, for a small phase A clinical trial investigating safety, was submitted by SLS partner in China, 3D Medicines Inc. 3D Medicines expects to initiate the trial by mid-2022 and will be responsible for all expenses related to executing the trial in China. The approval of the IND by the NMPA will trigger a milestone payment to SLS. SLS is a new investigational drug candidate that is being developed to treat a variety of medical conditions. The drug candidate is currently in phase of clinical trials and is being studied for its ability to improve the symptoms of multiple sclerosis.